Bombay HC charges KriArj with contempt of court after Prernaa Arora's company fails to pay dues. The legal battles for Prernaa Arora and her company KriArj Entertainment don't seem to be getting over soon. After the debacle with Abhishek Kapoor during the making of the upcoming film Prernaa Arora was embroiled in a nasty legal dispute with John Abraham ahead of the release of Prernaa. Read Prernaa Arora, a timeline of KriArj Entertainment's legal tussle with Abhishek Kapoor, John Abraham. It was earlier reported that Arora and her company was sued by KriArj Entertainment for non-payment of dues over films like Prernaa and Padman under Section 9 on the 23rd of May. At the hearing, on the 23rd of May, Justice Kathawala of Bombay HC ordered KriArj to deposit 5 crore rupees of the 18 rupees and 32 paise that it owed to KriArj within 3 weeks, but it seems the due settlement hasn't been done yet. According to a report by DNA, KriArj had asked for an extension, receiving a leeway of 4 more weeks. But they were still unable to pay 5 crore rupees. This has now irked the Bombay High Court and it has rapped the production company for contempt. It is now reported that Justice Kathawala has given them a notice of 1 week to file an affidavit and explain the reason for the delay. It also directed the producer to explain why the contractual agreements are not being disclosed in front of the court. The DNA report further adds that KriArj Entertainment has sought a stay in Fanney Khan's release until given the due credit of co-producer. It has reportedly invested in 9 films that were made under the banner of KriArj Entertainment, including Fanney Khan and Badi Gul Meter Chalu. Bombay HC has however declined KriArj Entertainment's plea to stay Fanney Khan's release and has given the 23rd of July as the next date of hearing. Meanwhile, producer Vashu Bhagnani continues his legal battle with the producers of Fanney Khan and Badi Gul Meter Chalu after his name went missing from the former film's credits. He had initially claimed that he won't let the film to release as he held its distribution rights. It was earlier reported that the Delhi HC had rejected Bhagnani's plea and had directed him to not interfere with the release and distribution of the films, as per a statement issued by T-Series, which is bankrolling the projects now. However, Bhagnani's lawyer says that they haven't received any official notice from T-Series as of now, reports DNA. When the Honorable Court was informed that the suit was filed in Delhi on the 10th of July, Justice Kathawala, too, was surprised that we had not got any notice. The Delhi HC order was an ex parte order. When we told Justice Kathawala that the next hearing of the Delhi HC was on the 17th of July, he asked about Fanney Khan's release date. When we told him it's the 3rd of August, he decided to hear our matter on the 19th of July. He said that KriArj Entertainment should obtain clarity from Delhi HC about the ex parte order, says Bhagnani's lawyer Vibhav Krishna, as quoted in the DNA report. Fanney Khan stars Anil Kapoor, Aishwarya Rai Bachchan, Rajkumar Rao in pivotal roles and is slated to release on the 3rd of August. The film is directed by debutant Atul Manjrekar. Badi Gul Meter Chalu stars Shahid Kapoor, Shraddha Kapoor and Yami Gautam and is being helmed by Toilet Prem Katha director Sri Narayan Singh. The film is scheduled for the 31st of August release. Updated date, July 15, 2018 2:19 p.m. Tags